Welcome to an early summer day here in Georgia. Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, and welcome to my latest listing. Today we're actually in Locust Grove, just south of Atlanta, and this is my latest listing. This is 1013 Hamilton Drive, sitting in this nice, well-established subdivision of Ashley Trace. It's a four-sided brick ranch. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a 2-car garage, a masonry fireplace, split bedroom floor plan, covered front porch, and the kitchen's got granite countertops, tile backsplash, and stainless appliances. The home sits on just about an acre and a third of land. Out back you'll find a private yard, large storage outbuilding, and probably my favorite feature of this lot is you can actually hear running water from sitting on the back patio. That's because there's this beautiful rocky bottom creek that runs across the back of the property. My sellers and I even actually obtained a pre-listing appraisal on the property, so you can be sure the price is right because we're actually listed at that appraised value. So come on in and let's take a look around and see what you think. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the home. This home has a great location. It's almost right in the middle between McDonough and Hampton, Georgia. So to the east is only about 6 miles from all the shopping, dining, and entertainment of downtown McDonough, and only about 5 minutes to Interstate I-75. The downtown Hampton area is only 6 miles to the west, and even the Atlanta Motor Speedway is only 8 miles to the west. If you'd like more information, or if you have questions, or if you'd like to schedule your own private showing of this home, please contact me at 404-803-4669. All my contact information is to the side of your screen. Have you got a home to sell? I'd love a chance to interview with you. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button to learn more. My listings always receive professional photos. They're listed on 2 multiple listing services, and they're pushed to over 900 websites. I always create an HD video just like this one that you're watching. I have a unique way of determining the value of your home, and because of that, my homes typically sell within 1% of listing price and quite often over list price. Call me for more information, or you can email me at chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. I look forward to hearing from you as always. Thanks for watching.